Login loop error on Bank of America fix. If you're stuck in a login loop on the Bank of America app where you enter your credentials and it just keeps cycling back to the login page, don't worry. You're not the only one. This issue can be annoying, but the fix is simple once you know what's behind it. Most people get this wrong and think their password or account is blocked. But here's the surprising truth: login loops on the Bank of America app usually happen because of corrupted cache files, outdated versions of the app, or time sync mismatches on your device. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, close the Bank of America app completely. Then, go to your phone settings, find apps, select Bank of America, and tap storage. From there, clear both the cache and the app data. This removes any old or broken login session that's stuck in memory. Next, reopen the app and type your credentials manually. Avoid using autofill just for now to make sure no old data interferes with your login. If the app still loops, check your device's date and time. Make sure it's set to automatic. Bank of America's login process relies on secure, time-sensed encryption, so even a small time difference can cause repeated login failures. Also, turn off any in proxy or ad blocker while logging in. Because the app handles sensitive financial data, these can sometimes trigger false security flags, causing the login loop. Finally, uninstall and reinstall the app from the official App Store. This guarantees you're running the most recent version with all bug fixes included. Once you're logged back in, consider enabling biometric login or two-factor authentication for quicker, more reliable access in the future. So, the next time your Bank of America app gets stuck in a login loop, don't panic. Clear your cache, update your app, and check your time settings. With these quick steps, you'll be back in control of your account in just minutes.